Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and ensuring power. Back up important files to an external drive or cloud now. Once done, confirm the device is plugged in and charged above 50%, then sign into an administrator account. Make sure BitLocker is suspended or you have the recovery key, otherwise the reset may halt. Open Settings, navigate to System Recovery, and click Reset this PC to begin. That first click initiates the only supported factory reset method. Now you choose how Windows reinstalls itself. You can pick Keep My Files for a quick refresh or Remove Everything for a full factory state. Once you choose Remove Everything, decide between Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. If you want a cleaner wipe, enable Clean Data. It takes longer but is more thorough. Confirm the list of apps that will be removed and read the prompts. When you press Next, Windows prepares files and will restart automatically to perform the reinstallation sequence. After the reinstall completes, complete the out-of-box setup. Choose region, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account if preferred. Once on the desktop, immediately check Windows Update and Device Manager to install drivers and security updates, because updates restore stability and compatibility. If the reset fails or loops, shut down, boot to the Windows recovery environment, and run Reset again, or use a bootable USB to perform a clean install. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.